Hi, today I want to show you how to create a very simple geometric star. First you need to draw a circle. Then keep the distance of the compass and stick the compass to the edge of the circle and make a mark. Make another mark. Stick the compass to one of the marks and make again a mark. Do the same thing. Stick the compass and make a mark. Again do the same thing. Now we have 6 points. Stick the compass to one of these points and make a mark outside of the circle. Stick to the second point and cross the first mark. Do the same thing with all points. Now we have new points. Connect these new points to the points on the circle. Finally, delete the marks and the circle inside. And that's it, we have a very simple star. But I don't want to stop here. I want to make something more. I want to draw something inside of the star. First, I will put some lines here to create triangles. Now make a line that starts from this angle and goes slightly in right. Now do the same thing with this angle. And again the same thing, but with this angle. Do the same thing again and again many times. This is the pattern. Do the same pattern in all of the triangles. Now I will do the same pattern in the hexagon. This is the final drawing, but I want to put some colors. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to support my channel and my projects, you can check the links in the description.